Discover the Dassault Falcon 8X, the ultimate in luxury business travel. Welcome to Aviapages, your go-to source for all things aviation. Today, we're taking a closer look at the remarkable Dassault Falcon 8X, a true masterpiece in the world of private jets. The Dassault Falcon 8X is the epitome of efficiency, flexibility, and comfort. This extraordinary aircraft seamlessly combines technological effectiveness, modernity, and exceptional range with spacious, quiet comfort. Step inside the Falcon 8X and you'll enter a world of unparalleled luxury. With a maximum capacity of 16 passengers and over 30 customizable layouts, this cabin is designed to cater to your precise needs. Imagine relaxing in style with 14 plush seats and with up to 6 beds, including a double bed. This aircraft is perfect for those long-haul trips. You can even enjoy gourmet meals in the spacious galley. It's your personal oasis in the sky. This 13-meter cabin is a marvel of efficiency. It maintains a low cabin altitude, ensuring you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. And the noise level? An incredible 49 decibels, creating a serene environment for work, relaxation, or sleep. It's not just a cabin, it's a lifestyle. With the Falcon 8X, you can configure your space to match your desires, whether for work or relaxation. The Falcon 8X comes equipped with the Falcon Cabin HD Plus cabin management system. Control the atmosphere, access entertainment, and stay connected, all from the comfort of your seat. With a maximum cabin height of 6,000 feet and the remarkable capability to maintain a cabin pressure equivalent to 3,900 feet, while cruising at 41,000 feet, the Falcon 8X sets a new standard in comfort and well-being. Unlike many other private aircraft, where passengers often endure cabin elevations ranging from 6,000 to 8,000 feet, this Dassault masterpiece ensures a constant cabin altitude of just 3,900 feet throughout the journey. Let's talk performance. The Falcon 8X boasts Pratt & Whitney PWW 307D high-performance engines, ensuring exceptional efficiency and range in the ultra-long-range segment. Its innovative design, including aluminum wings and winglets, makes it up to 35% more fuel-efficient than its competitors. With a range of 11,945 kilometers or 6,450 nautical miles, it's your passport to destinations others can't reach. What's more, thanks to its low approach speed of 107 knots, 198 kilometers per h, the Falcon 8X excels in performing precision approaches. The Dassault Falcon 8X is not just a jet, it's an experience. So whether you're on business or enjoying a family trip, choose the Falcon 8X for the ultimate in luxury, efficiency, and comfort. Subscribe to Aviapages for more exciting aviation content, from private jet insights to aviation reviews. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Fly in style with the Dassault Falcon 8X.